I've heard so many people say, especially after 2 kids, hey, you know, I need a bladder suspension and blah, blah, blah. I'm like, can you just do that at the same time so I don't have to do surgery again? And he's like, no, I left part of the uterus that supports it, and we tested it during surgery. They filled the bladder with water to make sure that it supports. So I'm like, okay, cool. I won't have to do another surgery because I do holistic. He's the only doctor I see ever. Anyways, I said that when he talked about the chair, I said, well, sometimes when I sneeze and like I get the urge to cross my leg, you know, and I'm like, what the hell is that? I thought that you took care of this. And he's like, well, it's age, pushing 50, and having kids. It's just the way that it is. The equipment gets weak. Okay. So he's like, try it. And I did it. And there's a huge difference. I don't even actually have to cross my legs. It made like a phenomenal difference. I was actually amazed. I was like, okay, yeah, whatever. It's probably not gonna work. And it did. It was huge. If I ran across somebody who complained about the problem that I had, or even something more severe, I would actually say, hey, I have a doctor. All you have to do is sit in a chair 6 times. Sounds a little strange, and you don't even have to get undressed. And it works. So I would absolutely recommend it. And it's a manageable discomfort. And so the first time I did it, it was like, whoop, okay, a little odd. But it becomes very tolerable very quickly, where it's actually no big deal. You can read a magazine. What it does is it kind of takes place of doing Kegels, which a lot of people don't have the time or the energy, and quite frankly, it's uncomfortable to sit there and try to do Kegels. It's just weird, and it's very uncomfortable to try to do them. And it kind of takes the place of that, and the chair does it for you. And it works miracles. It's wonderful.